Hello, friends. Good morning, and welcome all to my channel. So today we would be discussing about one more SAP product, and this product name is SAP Conversational AI. So before we deep dive into the product and know more about the product, let me start this video with introducing myself. So I am SAP Solution Manager Consultant, and I'm also working on various other SAP products like SAP Analytic Cloud, then SAP Cloud ALM, and SAP Conversational AI is something new that I have recently worked upon. So I always try to share the knowledge that I have with the people around me, so that they can also grow with me. And whatever thing I know, if I share with them, I feel very peaceful. Okay, so this video is again going to be like we go through various SAP websites, we go through various SAP blogs, but sometimes it's very technically difficult to understand some things and to technically realize the importance of some things. But at the same time, if you have someone to make you understand what is that thing about and how does that thing work, I guess it makes the implementation quite more simpler. So I have a total of 5+ years experience in SAP as a product. Any doubts regarding to any of the SAP product that I have mentioned in this video, or anything apart from that, knowledge about it, so I'll definitely try to guide you some way self. Now coming to the product that we are going to look at today. So today we are going to see about SAP product known as SAP Conversational AI that I'm talking. Okay, so what is SAP Conversational AI, and why it is used? What is the benefit of doing this? What is the benefit of using this? And how would end user be uh, take this take advantage of this product? Okay, so if you are in an implementation project and you are working on a company who is using SAP as a product, so definitely this would be a feature that that company might be looking for. Okay, so what is it is SAP Conversation AI is nothing but a chatbot that is directly connected to your SAP or a non SAP system. Okay, so how is this going to help? So usually what happens is like it becomes very frustrating for a user to give a call to a service desk team or to drop a mail to a service desk team to answer to the queries that they are having, because they have a limited time frame of working, and it becomes very much irritating if they do not get answers at that point of time. So usually whenever any user is raising a concern like I'm not able to log in into the system, or my password is not getting changed, my user has got logged. So these are small queries. Okay, these are small queries which not precisely a user should call a service desk or should drop a mail to a service desk team, but some of these queries can get easily resolved if there is a chat bot in place. And you must have noticed that not only with SAP as a product, but overall in other industries as well. You go to Amazon, or you go to any stock market site, or you go to any Myntra anywhere, or you might also have seen this option on your Swiggy and Zomato. Okay, so the customer support has now started, or like they have this chatbot features into it. So what happens is in the meanwhile the agent is connecting, the chatbot will help you to get the information that you need, like what is the order status of my last product, or can I get the invoice detail. So for these things, a person need not be there in front of you, but an automation tool or a chatbot can help you in that. So you would definitely need few information from the user before you proceed ahead with it. You will definitely need few information before you proceed ahead with it, so that information can be embedded, and then we can do it with ease. Okay, so SAP has come up with this product which is going to help you build a chatbot, and that too very seamlessly. Okay, so you might be thinking like it would be so difficult, like the coding part will come into picture, and I'm not that good at it, and it will take much time for implementation. But no, that is not the case. So SAP has come up with this product that is chatbot, and it is absolutely amazing, marvelous, easy to use, easy to work upon, and it's absolutely great. So less time for implementation, and immediately you can deploy it in your production environment as well. Okay, so let's talk more about it. So what is an SAP conversational AI? So yeah, so if you need more complex level of queries to handle, so you can even use natural language processing service, that is NLP. So that is also available. But if you don't want to go with NLP, and if you still want to be with a basic kind of environment, and still you want to keep your customers and your clients very much satisfied, so you can still get started with this. And once you're good with NLP, and you're ready with the complex queries that you're going to deploy on your chatbot, then you can easily build your chatbot in that way as well. So it's very powerful tool, not only with respect of answering the queries to the end user who is using your system, but also as it is connected to the SAP system in the backend, it gives an amazing results, because the data is readily available with the chatbot. So if the customer is helping with the name or the user ID or the date when the transaction has happened, so this chatbot is so powerful that it will go back to the system and try to get that data from there. Okay, so, and it also gives a very good experience to the users, because there are various options that we can put in, and by which the user, like the same way in which the user will be talking to a service desk team and asking for query about what about my invoice, or what about the can I get a copy of my receipt or something like that. So the what do you say, a level 1 and level 2 queries that a user can ask to a service desk team and get a result, so the chatbot is powerful to do that as well, delivering a personalized conversation at a scale anytime. Okay, so if you once the basic level of chatbot is deployed and people are good with it, and as I told you, the next version that you build, you can definitely deploy a more complex version of your chatbot as well. So the scaling part of your chatbot can be taken care of anytime and in real time basis, so you do not have to actually wait for it for a production cutover or something like that. Once you're ready and the queries are getting correctly fired, you can definitely deploy it on the go. Everything as you see is automated, so the time consuming tasks that are there from the business processes, so your resources can focus on more valuable tasks. So instead of keeping your support team occupied with a time consuming task, the chatbot can take care of it. Then the resource that you have can do more valuable tasks other than this. So these are the customers who are now currently using SAP conversational AI as a tool, and there are more and more growing to it. So yes, but the companies who have used this and given the feedback are a big four companies. The experience that they have gained is marvelous. So definitely, learning from their experience, this tool might be a very good example for giving your customer an excellent what you could say experience for your support. Yeah, some business cases that they have built. And if you have any questions, you can directly get in touch with SAP. If you're not with a SAP partner company or working with a SAP partner company, so if you have any doubts and if you need immediate help or anything of that case, so you have a call option to get an immediate assistance for also given. Chat option is also available. And lastly, if you are still like if you still want to be in touch, you do not have time to call or give a chat, then you can definitely drop them an email about your query and they will get back to you. So this was all about of SAP conversational AI and why it is called as AI, why it is artificial intelligence, because the queries and the logic, not with respect to coding but by configuration point of view, can be set in such a way that it will like literally replace a person sitting in front, like replace a supporting person sitting in front of the customer. So that strong queries can be built. And why it is conversational, because it keeps on keeps other conversation with the customer. So it won't happen like a normal chatbot, hello, good morning, how are you, and then it won't, you won't even feel like you're not talking to a supporting person and you're talking with a bot. So now, having done about what is SAP conversational AI and why to use, when to use, how to use, anything with that. So from this video, we would be starting with creation of our account on conversational AI. So search for SAP conversational AI. So after searching for SAP conversational AI, the very first link would be this SAP conversation AI chatbot link. So here is where you have to come, and if you want to accept the cookies, you can just click on OK and move ahead. So to create your account on SAP Conversational AI, it is totally free of cost and there are no charges for it. To have a demonstration and to get a look and feel about the tool and how to use this tool, so you can definitely go ahead and try and test this. So there are three options that you can the way by which you can log in. So in case you're new to SAP and you don't know more about SAP and you are getting started with this product, so you have to create a new SAP ID first of all, which would be a unique login ID for yourself. So and it would also have an email address attached to it, which you need to remember for your further login in case you do not remember your phone number. Second thing is you are already using an SAP conversation AI, so you just have to log in and check what is the chatbot status and if you want to make any changes to it. So you can go to the second option, that is the second one, sign in with using SAP ID, and you can sign in and get a view of your chatbot. The third option is you are already a SAP partner company and you are using SAP various product, but SAP conversational AI is a new product that you want to try it out or you want to test it out or you want to learn more about it. So for that, what you can do is you can link your already existing SAP ID over here. So doing this, what will happen? Your SAP ID would get linked to your SAP conversational AI, and doing this, the next time when you log in, you can directly log in with your SAP ID and password. Okay, so guys, this was it from me for today's video. I hope to see you in my next video as well, because we are going to get kick started with creating a chatbot and looking at how it actually we can build it and what all things we need to what are the prerequisite that needs to be met before starting up with using this chatbot. So let's meet you in the next video. Till then, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to press on the like button, subscribe to my channel,